One common mistake is to play with the same piece a lot of times, and this is not good because you are losing time and other pieces can complain. For that reason, let's see one game and what you should avoid. White players start with e4 and we have Morphy with black again. e5, knight to f3, knight c6, bishop c4, bishop c5, everything is just fine here. b4, the Evans gambit, bishop takes b4, c3, bishop a5, d4, e takes d4, e5, and now d5, attacking the bishop. E takes d6, queen takes d6, short castling, and white is ready to attack in the center with this move rook e1. So we have knight g e7 and now knight to g5. Okay, white sacrifice one pawn in order to start the attack, and we can see here that this pawn on f7 is under attack now. So we have short castling by black, and white move the same piece again in order to create attack. You can see that this bishop now and knight cannot create something really powerful because the rook is there and can capture both of that pieces. And after bishop to d3 he moved the same piece again. So black should do something now, and he played the bishop to f5 in order to stop the threat, because the threat here is to capture on h7. So we have bishop f5, bishop takes f5, knight takes f5. But the problem here with for black is that this bishop on a3 is a very nice move because the bishop is attacking the queen and rook in the same time. It's skewering the queen actually. So we have queen to g6, now bishop takes f8, and of course black didn't capture that bishop but captured the knight again, So white have to move the bishop, and he played it on a3. This is alright, but after all of these complications, black managed to capture another pawn, and now he has a knight for a rook and 3 extra pawns. So black have the material advantage, and white started the attack very heavily, and he moved his pieces back and forth, and we can see now that he didn't develop his queen side. So he played bishop to c1, attack the queen, moving this bishop again, and we can see that this bishop went on a3, captured here on f8, came back, and now again on c1. And with these long maneuvers, white is losing time. So we have queen to g6, what else? Bishop f4, moving the bishop again. But this bishop is not really attacking that pawn because the a5 bishop can protect it very well. And now we have development moves, rook to d8, and as you can see, black finalized all of his development. Queen to c2, natural, knight c d4, attacking the queen, the pawn is untouchable of course because the bishop is there, and we have now queen to e4. And this is the diagram position. This is the position why I'm showing you this game. And Morphy here played an amazing move in order to continue the game. Can you do the same? It's black's turn. And black found this brilliant move, knight g3. The queen is under attack now because the knight is attacking the queen, and we would like to capture it like that. The rook is under attack, and after the most natural move, queen takes d6, what Morphy had in mind? To perform a checkmate with the other knight, knight d e2, and imagine it or not, this is a checkmate idea. I hope you enjoyed that short video. Thank you very much and see you soon.